Thanks of the day, children. I am from Naipunya Vikasam. My name is K. Parvati, working as functional English and life skills trainer at Rajahmundry in East Godavari district. Today, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. Everybody likes it. Okay, I know you are very curious to know. And in today's session, we have very interesting stories too. Without any delay, I introduce today's topic, that is Creative Me. It is from class 7th Life Skills syllabus. To be creative means to see the world and to see it in a way that is different from others. Thinking in this manner leads to innovation. Creativity looks for many right answers rather than just one. Let's see this quote about creativity for better understanding. Life isn't about finding yourself, life is about creating yourself. For example, look at the scale. We all know it is used for drawing lines and for measuring. If we think creatively, it has some other uses too. When I was in school, I used it to support a window that did not shut properly in the class. Like this, we can use each and every object differently from its actual uses. Okay, but why we need to think creatively? Creative thinking helps to make use of the resources well and to find the solutions for the problems with the limited resources, which makes our day to day life easy and stress free, and also it sharpens your brains. Do you know how Velcro was invented by the Swiss scientist George de Mestral? One day he went for a walk in the woods, and when he came home, he noticed that his dog's coat and his pants were covered with thorny flowers. His inventor's curiosity led him to study the same under a microscope, where he discovered its natural hook like shape. This was to become the basis for a unique two-sided fastener, one side with stiff hooks like the birds and the other side with the soft loops like the fabric of his pants. The word Velcro comes from the French words velour and crochet. See, because of his creative thinking, we have got Velcro, which is very useful. Now, we will see about another useful object, Scotch tape. In 1923, Richard Drew joined in the 3M company. At the time, 3M only made sandpaper. Drew was product testing 3M sandpaper at a local auto garage. When he noticed that auto painters were having a hard time making clean dividing lines on two color paint jobs, Richard Drew was inspired to invent the world's first Scotch tape in 1925 as a solution to the auto painter's dilemma. Nowadays, we are using Scotch tape for several purposes, thanks to George de Mestral and Richard Drew for their creative thinking. Children, while discussing about Velcro, have you noticed a word fastener? Fastener. The spelling is Fastener. Fastener. Here, letter T is silent. We pronounce it as fastener. This is today's word of the day, that is fastener. Fastener means a device that closes or secures something. Here, Velcro secures, that means joints. Not only Velcro, our shirt buttons and hooks are also called fasteners. Now we'll take a sentence with fastener. If you take an example, if you see before taking off a plane, passengers get an instruction that is fasten your seat belts. That means they have to secure themselves by joining the seat belt. Now I'm going to tell you one more interesting story about homemade pedal operated washing cum exercise machine. Meet Ramya Jose. She is the inventor of the washing cum exercise machine that won her a national award during her 10th standard. Her mother fell ill and father was undergoing medical treatment. Ramya had to change 3 buses while going to and coming from school and spend about 2 hours each day. As there was no washing machine at home, the chore of doing the laundry fell to her and her twin sister. So, instead of just wishing futilely for a washing machine, she decided to try her hand at making one during the vacations. She created a basic model of washing machine, a homemade paddle powered which also saves electricity bills. It is a bit noisy but serves a dual purpose of washing clothes and a good exercise machine to keep you fit. She was 14 years old when she invented this machine. It won her a national award. Are you ready to listen one more story about how creativity helped in solving a problem? Let's see how a used cotton is solving rural Indian schools' biggest problem in less than rupees 10. I know what are you thinking? How it possible to solve a biggest problem with only rupees 10? Don't think too much. That is the power of creativity. Okay, without thinking much, let's see how it was solved. Most schools in rural India lack basic necessities as basic as a desk. Children sit hunched for hours, leading to bad posture, poor eyesight, and bad handwriting. An NGO, Aram, came up with an interesting and unique solution to this problem. They converted waste cartons into school bags and portable desks at the same time. To make the portable desks, they used discarded cartons, which are economical and easily available, by creating a preset stencil design which, when cut and folded, became a sleek desk and also served as a school bag. Creative thinking focuses on exploring ideas, generating possibilities, looking for many answers, the ability to imagine or invent something new. Sometimes creative ideas are astonishing and brilliant, other times they are just simple, good, practical ideas that no one seems to have thought of yet. Everyone has creative abilities, though sometimes we need to make efforts to bring them out from within. Like all the other skills, creativity is also an innate skill. It should be proper utilized with proper practice. Creative thinking can happen in everyday situation around us and all of us have the ability to think creatively. Therefore, we should observe all that is happening around us and see if we can think creatively and utilize some things for improving our lives. Children, as we learned before, Creative thinking can happen in everyday situation around us. To understand this well, have a look at these images, how things around us used and turned into beautiful ideas. Look at this image, how we used pens and cool drink bottle turned into a bangle stand. All you need is to think for more possibilities. Look at this another beautiful idea. Used cool drink bottles turned into beautiful flower vases. Not only that, this is a great idea of reusing plastics. Have a look at this fantastic image. How shoe was used. It was turned into a new nice flower pot. Here is another great idea. Paintings became flower pots. It's of course an innovative idea too. Look at this image. How used ties gave a great look to the garden. We can use these used ties to make play items for outdoor games if we think out of the box. Look at this image. A pen stand with parachute oil bottle. Have you ever imagined this? We see it daily at our home. Another advantage with this is we can decorate it with however we want. We get a beautiful pen stand with our own design which we like the most. Have a look at this great creation. Have you ever thought of this idea? After taking soap out of the cotton box, we simply throw the cotton box into the dustbin. But if we think with a little creativity, here is your beautiful decorative piece and a pen and pencil stand. So, children, think for more possibilities. I know during these lockdown days, you have become more creative to utilize your time. You might have invented new games to play, might have done experiments at kitchen to help your mother, or you tried new recipes. And to sharpen your brain, you might have done craft work. That means there you have used your creativity. Children, till now you have listened many interesting stories, isn't it? Now you think about possible little inventions you want to think that can make an impact in your lives. It can be the games you want to play, the food you want to eat, the homework you want to do or not to do. Discuss the same at home with your parents and write your ideas on a sheet of paper. Another task is that think and write about if I could move my body parts, I would. Actually, you have to move your body parts, but ever you imagine to move your body parts independently without your help? Yes. Put your ideas on paper to complete the task. Children, have you all understood? Okay. Be creative, create yourself to explore you and to explore more possibilities. Thank you.